In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, just open the settings right here, then find and select wallpaper, and just pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. So you can go with your own local photos, recently used, pre-installed, live wallpapers, or online album. Here you've got them. For example, this one. Then you can go to categories, and now you can pick some particular categories, for example quotes, and just pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, you've got plenty of options here. So let me choose, for example, I don't know, this one, and tap on apply. And then decide if you want it to be just on your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it. As you can see, here it is. So from now on, you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home and lock screen. Oh, actually, it's not on lock screen. Let me go back to wallpaper again. And let me pick, for example, this one. Then lock screen only, and it should be applied right now. So here it is. As you can see now, it is applied. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.